What if an actor has trouble remembering lines? What's the best way to do memorization exercises?
Well, I think that the last thing that I would recommend is to try and memorize lines. Is, you know, script analyze the scene and understand the script analysis of the scene in a deep emotional way inside of you. And what I mean by that is if you look at a scene, you know, who's this character and what do they want and what are the obstacles and what are they doing and how's the place feeding them and are there any objects and, you know, line by line, the intention. And I think if you get clear about all that, the lines just come to you. It's not about taking the line. It's about and making the lines yours by improvising them, paraphrasing them. There's a slew of different things that you can do. I mean, one of the things that I do is after I've done all that work is, and I think there's an app somewhere that does that, is, actually I'm pretty sure there is, and you record the line of the other character and then you leave a space for your line. And because, you know, you're responding to what somebody else is saying and it's giving birth to something that you're doing. So, yeah.